Proper HVAC integration means more than just placing equipment. It's about designing the home with comfort, energy use, and efficiency in mind. What does that look like? Strategic thermostat placement for accurate readings, zoned heating and cooling systems to serve different areas independently, and integration with smart home systems for app-based controls and scheduling. Thoughtful placement of returns and supply vents ensures balanced air circulation, and selecting HVAC system capacity must be based on square footage, insulation, window placement, and climate. Why does this matter? A well-designed HVAC system keeps temperature and humidity in check, supports indoor air quality, and improves sleep and productivity. HVAC accounts for over 50% of energy use in many homes. Proper integration during the design phase ensures long-term savings and fewer breakdowns. Knowing how HVAC systems are laid out helps homeowners and contractors spot issues early and perform routine maintenance efficiently. Understanding HVAC basics is critical for anyone involved in home construction or ownership. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems aren't just mechanical add-ons. They are deeply tied to how a home performs, feels, and functions every day. This knowledge equips you to recognize different types of HVAC systems, understand how they're installed and sized, appreciate the relationship between HVAC and building layout, and make informed decisions in design, renovation, or energy upgrades.